Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Relentless video. Guys, in this one, I'll be going over the traveling trading setup that I was using on the trip to Tulum. Guys, this computer is a beast. I think a lot of you guys will like it, especially the price point, because it's not too bad when we talk about the Falcons and these other expensive trading and gaming laptops that we'll see out there in the market. Guys, this is a MSI GL75 Leopard 1660 Ti, which is pretty decent, man. It's not bad. Intel Core, right? When we talk about the processor, i7 10750 CPU, which is pretty decent, and there's 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now, this is my older brother's traveling trading setup. He's bought this setup, I believe, 2 years ago, and by now I'm pretty sure there's an updated version for this one, right? It ran him about $1,200, $1,250 to be exact. And I'm pretty sure by now there'll be an updated version that might be a little bit more expensive, but will give you the updated components, right? So if you guys still want something a little bit more powerful, but in my experience using this thing, man, I was on airport Wi-Fi, just 8 gigabits per second, and it was performing well, live streaming, and I was able to take some trades. I mean, not bad. So if you're anywhere, whether it's at a resort, coffee shop, if you're somewhere where the Wi-Fi is good, let's say 20 downloads, right? 20 megabits per second download speed, I think it'll be pretty good to go with this computer, man. I didn't have any issues. Internet was just the biggest thing for me. Processing power I felt was good. I thought it was quick, and yeah, so the MSI, guys, the MSI GL75. So the external monitors are 150 a piece, right? They're connected via USB. And these are Asus, right? Asus external monitors. This PC is not bad, man. There's a couple of things to note, right? When we talk about LED fixtures and that type of thing, you can change the LEDs and get it to a colorway that you like. For me, I like the overall range of the color scheme. I'm pretty big on LEDs. You guys will see that over time, but it's an awesome laptop, not bad for traveling. Weighs about, I believe, maybe 2-3 pounds, right? Pretty light, nothing crazy. It is a little thick, right? It is a little thick, but once again, the weight is not bad. And to connect the monitors, we have these clips that are here, and these clips I believe are $30 for one, which is not too bad, right? So the entire setup itself, right, will run you about $1,500, $1,600, which is not too bad when we talk about a traveling trading station, guys, because you can go anywhere in the world and still be able to take some good trades. You guys see I have my broker pulled up here. I have E-Trade, I have the Discord. Thinkorswim is also in the background right here. We can pull it up as well. Show you guys we have Thinkorswim. Markets are closed, so the charts are not going to be loading up as well on Thinkorswim. But you guys get the point, man. It wasn't bad. I was walking around with a backpack. Didn't feel any pain or anything like that. Once again, the laptop is on the lighter side. So the USB monitors came in this casing right here. You can definitely put the screens on in there, protect the screens. And of course, if you're carrying it in a backpack, you want to make sure your backpack has some good cushioning, so once you put your backpack down, you don't break the laptop or the screens or anything like that. But yeah, man, nothing but good things. I thought the laptop was pretty good. It does have a webcam. The webcam, I believe, was shooting at 720, but I'm pretty sure the updated version to this laptop is shooting in at least 1080p. So that's the good news there. Once again, guys, the MSI GL75, it's not bad, man. Pretty good stuff. I would recommend. And for those of you who are, once again, looking to get something a little less than that Falcon price, because the Falcon laptops, man, sometimes we're seeing 2,800, 3,500, 4,000 plus. And so, this one here is not as bad in terms of the budget. So gaming laptops, trading laptops, when we talk about a traveling setup, those are what we're looking at, because the regular computers usually can't really keep up, right? Some people might use the MacBook Pros, but you guys know I'm more of a window type of a guy, so I'm not too sure how the MacBooks perform versus the higher end Windows computers. I'm pretty sure they do all right. But guys, that'll do it for the video. It's been Relentless Trader. Hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are a new viewer. And I'll catch you in the next one. I am, of course, signing out.